Hello everyone, welcome back to Mystic Pour Studio. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a stunning 3D floral bloom effect in resin. So let's begin. I am working with an 8-inch tray mold that has these beautiful uneven edges. Once my resin hits 34 degrees, I am ready to start. First, I set aside about 30 grams of the mix. I'll be adding white pigment paste to this portion to create the bloom. Since white pigment is much heavier than the resin, I'll just touch my stick to the pigment, then mix it to keep the consistency perfect. Now I'm going to slowly pour the resin mix into the mold, making sure to minimize the bubbles as much as possible. Time to add the alcoholics. I'll be dropping these colors in a circular pattern to start building that bloom effect. Once the inks are in, they'll need a little time to spread and blend. In the meantime, I'll prepare the piping bag for our white pigment. I'll snip the tip of the bag just enough to control the flow, and then we are ready for the next step. Starting carefully from the center of the mold, I'm going to use the white pigment to draw a spiral pattern working my way outward. I'll use a tool to pull the design in and out, creating petal-like shapes that give our bloom that gorgeous organic look. Just make sure your stick doesn't touch the mold as it will leave scratches. Finally, I'll add a light swirl right in the center of the flower to give it that finishing touch. With the first step complete, I'll leave everything to cure. Once it's set, you can see how beautifully the colors have moved towards the center. For the back, I've chosen a rich burgundy pigment. I'll mix it into the resin, spread it across the back and make sure it fills every edge. I'll leave it all to cure again and we are one step closer to the final reveal. It's time to demold. The petals have such a beautiful soft depth to them and the colors are perfectly blended. The only little imperfection is in the middle swirl. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching everyone. Stay tuned for more.